Hey everyone, Jake with JL Services. We're out in Lombard, Illinois today getting ready to clean up this aluminum sided house. This is actually the back side of the garage, but you can see the infestation that's taking place on this siding. So we will be doing our soft wash process to remove this. Just to kind of show you the pressures that we're using. This is actually lower than garden hose pressure. This is the solution we are applying. It's a safe solution. Once this has done its magic, we will be rinsing it off to further eradicate this buildup. So if you are interested in getting a soft wash to your house, we also do roof cleaning as well. We also specialize in concrete cleaning and sealing. Give us a call, 630-202-4821, or you could reach us at 630-422-5020. Have a good day. On our second job of the day out in Wauconda, Illinois, getting this nice lakeside house cleaned up. They're in the process of still doing landscaping, but they wanted to get the house nice and clean as the landscapers were working. So today we are removing this buildup that you see here with our soft wash process. You can kind of see in between the posts here, as well as another one over there. We do tape up all the outlets, and we do ask the homeowners to turn off all the lights on the outside of the houses. This is all for safety for us as well as the homeowners. So if you guys are interested in getting soft washing done to your house, roof, power washing, and/or soft washing to concrete and concrete sealing, give us a call, 630-422-5020. Thank you. Hey everyone, Jake with JL Services. We just pulled up to our last appointment of the day in Elmhurst, Illinois, job number 3. We're gearing up to do a power washing to this concrete driveway. It's raised aggregate. You can see how infested this is. So we're gonna do a pre-treatment. That's a treatment before we start power washing. And what that's gonna end up doing is safely killing off all this organic buildup. And then we're going to end up using lower pressure with our power washer to eradicate it. And sometimes, unfortunately, we aren't able to pull everything out in one cleaning. So we do a process called post-treating as well. Either way, this is going to be an awesome before and after. So stay tuned for the after results.